Let's go road trip, guys. Punta kami sa Ronsa. Maulan ang panahon. Tara, let's go. Sinong gustong sumama? Road trip tayo. Kahit maulan. Wala pa tayo sa highway. Nandito pa tayo sa maliliit na daan. Mamaya highway tayo. Ayan, maraming kabahayan. At medyo malubak ang daan. Going to Colroyd in Heraldsbergen. Raining. Start raining. Dito na tayo sa Wallonia. That's Wallonia, right?
Yeah.
Wallonia. Welcome to Wallonia. Ayan ang farm. Ayan oh, Wallonia. Walloni. Guys, yung mga puno wala na ang dahon, nagkalaglagan na talaga mga guys. Ganyan pag winter, pag taglamig, wala nang dahon ang mga puno. Listens. Papuntang Wallonia. Where is that? The house? Pasir?
Ja, Pasir.
Ah. Ik heb net eens ik was niet opgelet.
Het is met 50. Dirk.
Oei. Oei.
Straks staan ze hier.
Mayroong speed limit po dito mga guys. 50 lang dapat ang takbo mo. Huwag kang mag-overspeed dahil magkakaroon ka ng penalty. At ayan o, masukal yung paligid mo guys. Puro puno. Pero hindi yan pinakikialaman dahil bawal putulin yung mga puno mga guys. Dito na tayo sa Lidl. Lidl Merlin Store. License is a city of yeah. City ng Wallonia. License.
Maar kleiner als Gerardsberg.
Yeah. But France already.
Ja.
France tal. Maar toch part of Belgium.
Vroeger heb ik hier nog veel geweest.
Tournai.
Film.
Wat?
You're busy.
Ja. Yes. Straks anders your story is in my oh my big grand. They're busy van renovation. Crane. This one. Oh, a new store again.
Ja,
Swimming pool.
zwembad, hè.
Wow.
Ik heb hier nog veel geweest.
Yeah. They're going to have a swimming pool. Very nice.
René.
Renee.
René.
Renee. But if you read it in our dialect, Rena X, is that the meaning of Ronza?
Ja.
Renee. Medyo malabo ang salamin dahil maulan. Also cold right here, yeah. Oh my. Why I don't see the store? I saw only the name. Flowback.
Ja.
What is Flowback in Netherlands?
Vleusberg.
Ah yeah. Flowback.
Ik ben er helemaal geweest, hè. Een week.
Yeah.
Walking in the forest.
Ah, is that?
We're climbing on the tree there.
Ah, is that Flowback?
That's Flowback.
Flowback. Oh, naglakad kami doon tapos umakyat ako sa puno. Flowback. Salita dito ay ano, iba. Iba ng salita nila dito. Flowback. Flowback, hindi flowback. Flowback. flowers, that plantation.
Ja.
Okay, the houses here, they're far from the store. Uy, police?
Ja.
Why you have to scared? You don't have to
Mijn
scared.
speed.
Ah, yeah. But it's not police station, huh?
Ja.
Pauza, miskin.
Of they are inside. Misschien.
Yeah. Oy, lumakas ang ulan. Lumalakas ang ulan sa mundo ng ay, ano yun? Meron akong nakita. Ang style ng bahay dito iba. Tsaka malayo sila sa city. It's like in the countryside, this area.
Ja.
Countryside and farming. Mostly of the people here are farmers. Every time you do. Pansin nyo ba guys na ang mga puno talaga wala ng dahon? Ayan. Kasi nagkandalaglagan na po yung mga dahon yan. Malawak na farm area na to dito mga guys. Ayan o. Farming talaga dito ang mga tao halos. Ayan, laki ng bahay nila oh. Ayan guys.
Een auto is niet vertraagd te rijden. Hè. Dus
Ja?
altijd
Mm.
koppelen.
Yeah. Ayan lang mga guys. Bye. Salamat sa iyong panonood.